Here's part 2 of the Hotsy video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I want to wrap some tape around the tops of these so they can't possibly hit at the top once I pack them in. And one of these is a running capacitor and one's a start capacitor. What they do, they also offset the phase, so when it fires, it gives it a little jump start. That's why it has two. And then one holds the power to keep it running properly. That's definitely stuff for another video. Let me go a little bit bigger on that one. Over the top. But it'll just hum and it won't run if these aren't connected. What I did do is I dug into the motor and I had that all apart, and then I realized I should have just tested it from the outside, because actually it was the one switch that was bad on the side of it. All I would have had to do is pull that instead of pull everything else, which would have been helpful to know beforehand, but I learned some things, so that's good too. I'd rather tear it apart and make sure it's good and then learn things while I'm doing it. Get another speaker. And then I know exactly what's going on with it. But give me a second to tighten these up and then I'll give you an overview. I'm gonna have to put some fuel in it. See if we can get the burner to light. I have had the burner lit on this before where we did this. Well, before I took it apart. So I do know that that functions. Alright. I've had this off of here. Obviously I cleaned it all up. The motor off. I did drill those. I put bolts in. I still have to put hangers on these. I have those ordered. The ones that they come with are cheap plastic, like bands that just wrap shipping things. It's really cheap. Surprised for what these things are worth that they give them to you like that. We have the burner all installed. Everything looking good. Filter cups looking good. Everything connected properly. That I stole from another power washer. I gotta deal with that. I gotta get a good hose for this unit. And for you to see inside, that's all coils. Then the burner, the flame is down in there. This is all also insulated. And you can also set the temperature on it. You can use it without the burner too if you want. But let me hook those up and then we'll see how she works. It's probably gonna leak, we'll see. All right, guys. Now I got some water hooked to her. So, I'm gonna fire her up. And I'm gonna fire the burner. That's good. That kind of pressure. That's pretty good pressure. Ooh, it's hot too. Look at the inside of it. Nice. Woo, real hot. So all in all, I think I ended up with a pretty good machine. Took a little bit, a few days, whatnot, to make it all good, but it was worth it for what I paid. Way better. If you'd like me to go over anything specific, let me know. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. All right. See ya.